Where's Bobby? Huh? Have you seen Bobby? No idea. You can't be. Where is Bobby? Bobby. Rufido. Have you seen your brother? Bobby. Bobby. Bobby.
You're working in the compost.
Yeah, I'm working it in. You can see here we have a lot of earthworms.
Yes, can you see? Yes.
It's alive.
Yes, and there's another one there.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'm just working in the compost.
Yeah.
There's another one here.
Yeah, put
Don't
it
want
back.
to
Yes.
cut it
There
into
is
two. But they regenerate
Yeah.
when earthworms
Yes.
or worms are cut into two. Most of the time they regenerate. So
Yeah.
what? And there's another one here.
Yeah, that's good.
It's a lot. So this is where our compost worms are,
Yes.
because they migrated from our compost pile. So what we do now is to just apply
Young compost.
young compost and let them do the rest of
Yes.
the work here
Yes.
on the planting bed.
And since we're going to plant kale, which is a cabbage crops they like young compost.
Yeah.
But you see, they migrated here because they feel more free here.
Yeah.
You know,
We have
it's more spacious.
another
Oh, there are
one
more.
here,
There's another one there. Yes.
another one here.
Yes.
So the worms here are abundant.
Yes.
And that's what you get when you constantly apply compost. See, another one
Yeah.
here.
Another one. Oh, yes.
It's a good thing because we're aerating the soil that they live in.
Yes.
That's very important.
Yes, it's also important for the plants.
Yeah, everything needs oxygen except for anaerobic bacteria that develops. There's another one there.
Yeah.
I'm
Yes,
sorry
yes.
to disturb you guys.
Yeah.
I just,
Yeah. Well, those are no manners, huh?
Yeah. Well, just.
Well, and it's a holiday, Panama, today.
Yeah.
You know,
And,
it's a holiday today, yeah, and you're disturbing those worms.
Yeah. Talking about disturbing, I think our schedule for uploading new episodes would be a bit disturbed because Papa, you're going to have an eye surgery.
Oh, yeah.
Because,
Yeah. Anyway, that's part of life.
Your retina detached. So
Yeah.
you need to
They're going to staple it back. Yeah, they say they staple it back with laser, but they have to drain the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's for Wednesday.
It comes with age.
Yeah, that's what they say. And then you tell me I have to get used to it, not to be in denial.
So after this, we're going to plant kale and we're going to show you around again and teach you things that you might experience at your organic farm or ecological farm. So till the next segment, I'll just finish this one.
Yes, and we have already kale there, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Transplanted
and we
that.
have extra seedlings, so we will just continue here.
Yeah, I just transplanted that last week. Yeah, last week. So I'm just going to continue.
Yes.
And that's Chinese kale.
That's Chinese. Yeah, it's growing bit by bit. Yes.
What we're going to plant here is dino kale.
Yeah, that's a different kind. Actually, dino kale has more in it. I know it's more valuable actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Happy
Plowing.
composting there. I'll show you something. These are our lettuce. You see, they are a little bit down.
Yeah.
You know, they're supposed to be up, no? But we are in a time of El Nino. It is already close to December. Normally, it's rainy season. We would have much more rain.
Yeah.
And it would be cooler. And your plants especially the lettuce, would stand up.
Yeah, there is
But
there. Yeah,
they suffer from the heat
that's from the heat.
because it's not normal at this time of the year. Actually, we even have some
Tip burns.
tip burn on our lettuce.
You can see there.
That shows that there is not enough, you know,
It's not cool enough.
Yeah, the water evaporates faster through the leaves than that the roots can pick up water
Yeah, yeah.
or moist. That's why you
But
get tip.
regardless of that, you can just cut off the tips and eat
Yeah.
the rest.
Yeah, yeah. You can
It doesn't really-
still consume the vegetable. You know,
Yeah.
it's okay. But this shows what global warming does.
Yeah.
You know, actually, research shows that if all the arable land in the world would be devoted to organic farming, we could actually reverse the process of global warming.
Yeah.
Why is that? Because you see, organic farming, unlike farming where we use synthetic fertilizers, organic farming is farming done on a soil that is alive.
Yeah.
You see, when we have synthetic fertilizers, when we use synthetic fertilizers on our soil, what we actually do is we feed our soil with fertilizers with
Mineralized,
nutrients
yeah.
that are already mineralized.
Yeah.
Now, that means that the microorganisms that are in our soil die.
Yeah, they're
Why?
useless.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are useless. Why? Because what microorganisms do is they break down organic material and they make it into
Nutrients.
nutrients that are available to the plants. But since what we give to the plants is already mineralized,
Yeah, through
there's
chemical
nothing
fertilizers, yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing for the microorganisms to eat. So
Yeah.
you get the soil that's dead.
Yeah.
While when you go into organic farming, you try to you really take very much care of your soil because it's your soil that will feed your plants, not
Yeah.
the chemical fertilizers, but
Yeah.
the soil.
Yeah.
Why? Because we give to the soil organic fertilizers. The plants grow well. The microorganisms, they live on these fertilizers, on these organic fertilizers, on this humus, and they multiply and they have a happy life. Now,
Yeah.
when we plant our plants in that soil, these plants, what they do is they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere,
yeah.
and they transform it in their plant food through the help of photosynthesis.
Yeah.
And a big part of this carbon dioxide goes through the roots into the soil, where also microorganisms live on that. Because remember, we are actually, for a big part, CO2. We are
Yeah,
actually,
carbon.
We are for a big part carbon.
Yeah.
Our living
Yeah,
organisms
yeah.
are for a big part carbon. So this carbon dioxide goes into the soil. So you get all these things there where it belongs.
Yeah.
And it's kept there. So the more we plant organic vegetables, the more we get carbon dioxide
Out,
being
yeah.
filtered out of the sky or out of the atmosphere, being filtered down into the soil where it belongs.
Yeah.
And so we could reverse.
Yeah. If only,
If only we would.
yeah, be
But that's
doing.
the principle.
Yeah.
You try to look around in the internet, you can
Yeah,
find
for
lots
articles.
of interesting articles on this.
Yeah. It's a good thing because we're experiencing it now.
Yes.
See how bright and hot it
Yeah.
is. It's already October.
October, yes.
Yeah, it
It's
should be
supposed to
raining
cooler
and
here.
cooler. Now it's
Especially
really
here
hot.
especially here in Silang, where we are already
Higher,
4
yeah.
to 500 meter higher.
Yeah, but now it's really hot, and you can see how it affects the plants. They're hanging down because it's too hot, and they're getting tip burns. But anyway, that's food for thought. If we would like really to try to reverse global warming,
Yeah.
we can do it that way,
Yes.
or we can not
We-
use
we should.
oil products anymore. So that's the choice between the two.
Yeah. But
But
it will
the
have to
second
come
would be
to
impossible. Yeah.
We have to come to something like that.
Yeah. Anyway.
We are going to be suffocated soon.
Yeah. And we're feeling it now. So let us all help each other and try to do things naturally. All right. So do you still remember the time that we took one of the gondols? Now we have a lot.
Yes.
And we're not planning to harvest them.
There's one there.
There's a bit.
Let's see.
That's still a small
I
one.
don't see.
Here.
But I cannot see it with the...
It's here.
Ah, yes.
We have
There's
one here. We're not going to let it grow big anymore because it's always better to harvest it at a young age, so it will be very tender.
Yes.
But be careful because it has a lot of prickly things. See? We can focus.
Yes.
If you have sensitive skin,
yes,
it pricks. Actually, I feel the prick.
Yeah.
It's like when you rub the surface or the flower of
There's a small
cactus.
one. There's a small one here.
Yeah. It's kind of hard to look for them.
Yeah, but there's still some more. There's one there.
We have still one here. I'm going to take this out already.
Yeah.
It tastes better when it's still young.
And
if you harvest more, you'll get more. Actually,
usually it's like that. You see there's so many flowers. But when you have cucumber crops, don't plant different kinds of cucumber crops together, because then they will fertilize each other.
You will be
pollinate each other.
Cross-pollinating.
Yeah, and then that's not good.
Yeah. You will have weird produce.
I will switch off already because it's raining.
The rain, and we're going to go back and harvest some more because our favorite client is requesting for her vegetable needs.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here we are with our okra.
Yeah. For our favorite client who's ordering from us, Ms. Weiss. So she needs half a kilo of okra. And we have a lot here.
Look at this one. It's still, they're big.
Yeah.
But then they are still crunchy. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's nice. Wait.
Alright. Try to collect half a kilo of this, then proceed to the other vegetables. So we need now to set the weighing scale. Yeah, it's exactly on 0, and weigh the okras. To have half a kilo, you need a lot. Oh, it's already more than half a kilo. That's good. Alright. So Mama is now going to harvest string beans. We also need half a kilo of this. We're going, half a kilo.
Okay.
We have a lot here. So we're going to take them first off of the plant. Alright. So here are the string beans. And let's see if they are half a kilo. Oh, it's more than half a kilo. There you go. Alright. So Mama just finished harvesting the local spinach. We're going to weigh it. Need also half a kilo for our client. Alright. Wow, it's already night time. We still have to harvest celery, so Mama is going really fast to harvest. We need also half kilo of that, and Papa is going to get 300 grams of red romaine, and that's about it. And this is how life in the farm is. We have to stay a bit longer because we are having one of our pumps installed. So they promised, they told us they're going to finish it now. So we have to wait for them. But anyway, till the next episode. And we hope that you would find in the internet the articles that we're saying about global warming and how organic farming can help alleviate it. Alright.